Well, I am Javier Chacon. I'm the CEO of Symbiotic, and Enrico is the head of the research and development of our company. We will talk about tap on phone. Did you know that more than 50% of the transactions under $10 here in the US are made in cash? The transactions from $10 to $25 are more than 20% in cash. If you go to Europe, more than 60% of the transactions are in cash, representing more than a half of the total volume. If you go to the rest of the world, those numbers are even higher. And that is why. That is because the ecosystem, the payment methods are not efficient enough. They are expensive. The acceptance business is very expensive because they have to buy terminals, they have to buy, use distribution costs, paper, integrations, and all those things. And if you see all the acquiring solutions today or from the past, each one of them require hardware, additional devices. Even those solutions that have a small dongle that you connect to the phone, all of them requires additional hardware. With our solution, Tap on Phone, we are solving that. We do not require any additional device to accept payments. Well, it's important not confuse our solution with wallets because it's absolutely different, right? We are in the acceptance side. Tap on Phone is a technology that enables a cell phone to speak, with the contactless card, with the contactless chip of a card. We just put the chip together with the phone, they will communicate. And once we have done that, if you follow all the right protocols, and if you follow the security procedures of Visa and MasterCard, you will get, well, in our case, maybe less hair, but also you will get the possibility to communicate, to create, create a point of sale inside the phone. That's what we did, and we created. Let's see a demo of our solution. This is the Symbiotic Bank app. You will just input your name and all your information. You will receive, your bank will send you an activation token that will enable the phone as a terminal. And that's it. You will have a very simple point of sale. This is one of the most simple way to input data. Also, we have other input options. We have a small point of sale, and you have a list of items when you can choose. And also, we can have a component of artificial intelligence that can scan the objects. We will show you a demo in a few moments. And also, we can see something that you cannot see in a terminal point of sale is the history of transactions. And you can check all the transactions you have made. You can enter in a transaction and you can see the details. And also, you can resend the voucher if you need. And also, you can have statistics about the sales that you have done. This solution enables the acquirers to give the service, to have merchants of any of the layers, from the big merchants to the small, to the guy that sells balloons on the park. It's something like that. Let's do an example. Let's say, let's say I sell balloons, and you are in the park, right? And you want to buy a balloon. And let's say that the balloon costs $5. So we will input $5 in the app, and I will just approach the card to the screen, to the phone, and the transaction is done. It's the same, you are using just the phone. With this, we solved this balloons for $5. We need to sell 499 more to pay the ticket. Right? Um, well, let's imagine also that you are so tired and you want to have a drink, maybe a power energy drink. Let's go into select, and in this case, the Red Bull, and you go to the cart, and also you can just, it's amazing. It's so easy to do this. Okay, and then. And the last one, we will use also we'll push the button to the screen using our artificial intelligence technology to scan the object. In this case, we will scan a chocolate. It's called, in this case, a sneaker, and can be added also to the cart. Just to the transaction. Well, just a couple of things. Our technology can be an app, a standalone app like this one, or also we can create, we have a component that can be integrated with an app that you already have for your clients. So it's just a component you added, your programmers can add this component, and you can create your own app, the app you already have, to accept payments with this. And the other thing important is that with this, anybody that has a cell phone can accept payments now. I think we will change a lot of things. We will change the rules with this technology. If you want more information, please go to our stand, symbiotic.com, and you can follow us. And thanks a lot. Have a good day.